Hello everyone, I am Walt, and today we are talking more and more about 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. Here we are with our 48th part in this series. Yes, 48 parts in, so what is part 48 going to teach us today? Yes, so our 48th part is to pick up the phone and call someone you haven't spoken to in years. That's what the principle is right there, isn't that right, Scout? So, picking up the phone and calling somebody. I feel like that idea is a little outdated considering the use of email and texting these days. So, depends on your comfort level if you're somebody who likes to call people versus likes to email and text. I think that we're all a little bit different on that one, but I would say that that's a biggie here. Maybe you just want to text somebody you haven't texted in a long time, because that can be a big thing too in modern, communication. But yeah, I mean, if you want to call somebody there. But what is this principle about? Why is this going to make us happy? Because there are a lot of things in our past that will make us unhappy, and there are a lot of things in our past that will make us happy. So it's important really to focus on the happy things in the past and not on all those things that have made us unhappy. Thus, going to the past and saying, you know what, I can focus on this thing. I can look back to the pleasant time I had with this person. It's important to reconnect with people. We cannot maintain our connections with everybody all of the time, I mean, that's just not something that we can do there. And yeah, I would say that it's a biggie then. It's an important thing to be able to contact people we haven't contacted in a while and to reach out to those people and see how they're doing and really relive some of the good times from the past as well. And of course, those who have been energy suckers and problems in the past, don't reach out to those people. And that's why it's going to make you feel happy, because you reach out to these people that you've been happy with in the past, and you can relive some of the good times or spark up connections for more good times in the future. So, that's basically the principle here with part 48. I will leave you guys the link to my Amazon books and, of course, some of my favorite self-help books on Amazon that you can buy through this channel and whatnot. Same price as usual. It's just important to support this kind of content if you guys want to do that, but up to you. Otherwise, just following and sharing these videos can be great. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys with the next principle. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.